Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the chapter number 3, and that is about numbers. So, students, we have got so many things before in the earlier classes, that means you can say in the previous year, related with the number. Now, numbers we have got till hundreds, that means till the hundreds place we got in the last year. This year we are going to learn about the numbers till thousands. Thousands means a 4-digit number. So previously you got a 3-digit number, that means the place value was up to 100 at time. Now we are going to learn a 4-digit number. So 4-digit number, the place value, the maximum place or the place value will be up to the thousands. Fine. So what will be the objective for this particular chapter? So let us see the objective first, students. So the objective is, first is to learn how to write a 4-digit number with place value chart. That means how to write a 4-digit number. Now see, how to write a number means how to write the number in words also and how to read it also. Fine. And how to find out the place value of a particular digit in a number. So that we are going to learn. Secondly, we are going to learn how to form largest and the smallest number from a given digit, from some given digits. Suppose if I give you 4 digits, 4 different digits, and how to form the greatest number and the smallest number out of those 4 digits, that we are going to learn. Thirdly, to write the standard and the expanded form of a number. That means what will be the standard form of a number and what will be an expanded form of a number, that we are going to learn. And number 4, the last one will be to compare and order numbers. That means how to compare two numbers, that is which is greater, which is smaller, and order means how to arrange them. Arrange in the sense ascending order or descending order. Fine. So that will be the order part. So what will be the keywords for this chapter? What will be the important words for this particular chapter? Those will be place value 1, then next one will be phase value, then standard form and expanded form. The rest of the word, whatever you will get, that will be familiar to you because you already got it in the last year. So these will be some important words for this particular chapter. Now students, I will send a picture of this so that you have to write down this objective and the keyword in your school copy. And when you start writing, students, please give the chapter number, name, then your date, today's date, that on which date we have started. Fine. So students, let us start with the first concept, that is what is the thousands place. So before going to the thousands place, let us recall some of the things that we got last year. Say we got last year, we can say tens. We got tens, then we got hundreds. Now tens means what? Say suppose if a number is there, say we say the number 252. Now 252, this place we call it what? This place we call ones place. The first place from the right hand side, that is the ones place. The second place we call it as the tens place. That is from the right hand side, the second digit will be in the tens place. And the third one we call it as the hundreds place. Fine. So that means the third one will be the hundreds. So till this we already got till last year. Now today, so tens place, if you say the tens, what will be the tens? That is 10, 20, 30, 40. These will be the tens place numbers. And hundreds, if you say, so hundreds you can say 100, 200, 300, so etc. So these will be the hundreds place. Fine. So how we are going to write these numbers, that means how to find out the place value of these numbers. Let us find out that one. So place value already you come to know last year also. So I will take a very easy example. Say if I am taking a number, say 354. Now here how many digits you can see, students? You can see 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So that's why this is called a 3-digit number. Now the first place is ones place. So how to get the place value of 4? If I have to find out the place value of 4, you need to do only one thing, that is you have to multiply the digit with its place. Now, 4's place is what? Ones. So I have to multiply what? 1 with 4. So what I will get? I will get 4 only. Fine. If now I have to write the place value of 5. So the place value of 5, how to find out the place value of 5? You need to multiply 5 with the tens place. So the 5 is sitting at the tens place. So I have to multiply 5 into 10. Tens place means multiply by 10. So 5 into 10, it will be how much? 50. And finally, if I have to find out the place value of 3. So 3, where it is sitting? 3 is sitting at the hundreds place. So I have to multiply 3 into 100, and that will be how much? 300. So students, you can see the place value of all these digits we already got. 4, that is 4. 5, it will be 50, and 3, it will be 300. So this part already you got in the you can say till last year also. So students, if I have to write down that place value, so the place value, what will be place value? So place value will be, say, if we multiply any digit of a number by its place, we get the place value of the digit. So this is the place value concept, students. So you can pause the video and you can write down, student, this one in your copy. You have to write down. It's not about that you want to, you have to write down. So please pause the video and write down this definition in your copy. After objective, after keywords, you need to write down this. That if we multiply any digit of a number by its place, we get the place value of the digits. So as I have shown you, 354, if I have to find out the place value of 3, what you have to do? 3 you multiply with its place. 3's place is 100. So you multiply 3 into 100. How much we get? 300. So 300 will be the place value of 3. So that is the concept of place value. Fine. Now students, one more keyword that I have written was face value. So students, please note it down in your copy. Now we will go for the face value. So what is a face value? Say if I have to write face value, I will take again the same example, say 354. Now face value, students, is very simple. Face value is the digit itself. That means you don't need to multiply anything. If I ask you what is the face value of 3, the face value of 3, if I have to say specify that what is the face value of 3, it will be 3 only. That means face value of 3 will be 3 itself. Face value of 5 will be what? It will be 5 only. And face value of 4 will be what? It will be 4 only. So students, face value concept is very easy because you don't need to calculate anything. You don't need to do no need to do anything. Simply you need to see the digit and you have to tell that 3, the face value of 3 is 3 itself. Face value of 5 is 5 itself, and face value of 4 is 4 itself. Fine. So no multiplication, no addition, nothing. But for place value, as I showed you just before, that how to find out place value? 3, since it is sitting in the hundreds place, you have to multiply 3 into 100 and that will be 300. So face value of 3, place value of 3 will be 300. 5 is sitting in tens place, so 5 into 10, that will give you the place value of 5, that is 50. And 4 is sitting in the ones place, so place value of 4 will be 4 into 1, that will be equal to 4. So student, this is about place value and face value. So students, please note it down also. Please pause the video and note it down this concept also. Fine. So this is about place value and face value. Now students, we have to go for the main concept, that is what is a 4-digit number. That means what is the thousands place actually. Fine. So students, I think you know about the abacus. I think most of you have seen what is an abacus. Fine. So in abacus, suppose we used to do what? We used to put beads there. Fine. Small beads. So suppose here this is ones place, this is tens, and this is suppose hundreds. Now here if I put 9 beads, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have put how many? 9 bits. Then here also I will put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 and here also I will put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here students, I have put how many bits? In ones place also 9 small bits are there. Tens place also 9 small bits, and in hundreds place also 9 small bits are there. So if I have to now write down what is this number, ones place it is 9, tens place also it is 9, and hundreds place also it is 9. So what is the number students? 999. If we read it, 999, it is a 3-digit number. Student, this is the smallest, it is the greatest 3-digit number, 999. Because after this, if we move ahead, after 999, what will come? Okay, so let us consider this now. I have placed one more bar we have put here. Now student, this will be the thousands place. That means this is the thousands house, you can say. Now already I have put 999. So there will be no place for this. That means I cannot put any more. If I put any more bit here, then it will be shifted to the next house. So what I have to do, I have to let us remove all this. Let us remove all this, and that means I have taken out all the bits. I have taken out all the bits now. Now I will put a bit here in the thousands place. So what is this? This is one bit means it will be 1. So that means it is 1. And there are no bits here. If you see, ones, tens, hundreds, there are no bits. So that will be 0, 0, 0. Since there are no bits there. So you can say we got what? We got a number. And that number is the 1000. Now 1000, this is a how many digit number? This is a 4-digit number. So you can see how many digits are there? 4. So this number will be a 4-digit, but student, this is the smallest 4-digit number. That means this was the greatest 3-digit number, that is 999. Now it is the smallest 4-digit number because it has 4 digits with it. Fine. So students, if we have to write, these are some important things that you need to know. That what is a 4? We will write like greatest 3-digit number will be 999. Then smallest 4-digit number will be 1000. Fine. Now students, can you say what will be the greatest 4-digit number? Can you say that? What will be the greatest 4-digit number? Since we are using 9 here to make the greatest 3-digit number, so to make the greatest 4-digit number, I also have to use 9 here also. But how many 9 I will use? Here it was 3 because it was a 3-digit number. But here how many 9 I have to use? Here I have to use 4 9. So you see, this will become the greatest 4-digit number. So this will become the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000, and this will become the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999. Now how to read it, we will explain, we will discuss. But first of all, please pause the video and write down this thing also in your copy. After the face value, you please write down this also, the greatest 3-digit number, smallest 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit number. And students, one more thing you can write here, that is the smallest 3-digit number. What will be the smallest 3-digit number, student? Because smallest number, if we have to make, we have to put 1 and then remaining 0. So if we have to write the smallest 3-digit number, definitely you got it in last year also, we have to write 1 and then we have to give 20, because 100, that will make the smallest 3-digit number, and that is the 100. Fine. So please student, note it down. These are very important. Okay. Now we will learn that how to read a 4-digit number. So I am rubbing this one. So students, now let us see that how to read. Now before going to that, students, you take out the page number 23. In page number 23, it is about, let us answer this to revise the concept. That means some of the questions are given here which we need to revise for recalling part. So that is given like page number 23. In the top you can say A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 questions has been given. Students, these questions will be from the last year concept. That means already you got it in last year in class 2. So here we have to go ahead with something. That means how we need to do this. You have to fill up this detail here, because it is a fill in the blanks concept. So since it is a fill in the blanks concept, students, this will be your homework for today. That means you need to write down the number for, let's say number A. The number for 234 is, that is 234 if we write in number, so what it will be. So you have to write down here in the blank space. Similarly in number B, in 857 there are dash hundreds, dash tens and dash ones, so that you have to write down here. Then expanded form of 444 which you got in the last year. Fine. So this question, page number 23, question A, B, C, D, E will be your homework. You need to fill up here only because place is given. Use pencil, fill it up here and click a picture and send it to me as a homework. Fine. I will give you the date when to submit it. Now students, already we have discussed about the greatest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number. Now the next part will be how to read and write a 4-digit number. Fine. So let us say we will make the house first. That means if we make a table, like this, so this place, this will be the ones place, this will be the tens place, this will be the hundreds, and this will be the thousands. Fine. So students, if I have to place some number, say some digits I am going to place here. Say I am placing here 5, then 3, then 4, and say there 7. Fine. Now let us try to read this number. That what will be the name of this number? Number name. We can say, we also call it number name. Fine. So what will be the number name of this? So students, if you see, this is 1000. So how many thousand is here? 7000. Fine. So that means we will write 7000. Fine. Then this is the hundreds place. How many hundreds are here? There are 400. So we will write 400. How many tens are there? 3. So that means we will not write 3 tens. We have to write 30. 3 into 10, it will be how much? 30. So it will be 30. And how many ones is there? 5. So 5 into 1, it will be 5 only. So it will be 35. So students, if you break this number by its place, then it will be very easy to read it out. That means we have to say how many thousand? 7000. So this is one part done. How many hundred? 400. So this is one part, that is hundreds part is done. Then these two you have to say together. This cannot be said single. Now here 7000 I am saying separately, 400s I am saying separately, but 3 tens you cannot say. So we have to say this together. 3, always remember, tens and ones place has to be combined. So we will have to say 3 means it is how much? 30 and 5. So 35. So that means this has to be said together. So what will be the number name of this particular number? 7435. So 7435, we have to read it like this. And this is called the number name of this number. Fine, student. So students, we will discuss it more on this particular topic, that how to read and how to write numbers, 4-digit number. This is today the beginning of the class. So I have given you some of the detail. So in the next class, we will discuss more on this particular thing, that how to read and write, and from there we have to go to the next part, that is the expanded form of a number. Fine. So student, that means on Monday we will meet, and Monday we are going to start from the next part. And maybe by next week, students, I will take a chapter test that I will inform you before, and we will also have one Zoom class every week. So I will decide the date and time when I will conduct the Zoom class in the next in the coming week. Fine, student. So the homework that I have given you, please write it down and send it to me. I will send you the assigned time for that. Fine. Thank you.